The average profit made by the bookseller on a paperback book is £2.40. This increases by 15% for an audiobook and then by a further £2.06 for a hardback. What is the profit made from sales of paperback books in 2006 as a proportion of that year's total profit? We know the profit per book. First we need to know the number of books sold in this year, so 2006. So if we're looking at 2006, we have audiobooks here, that's 12%. For hardback books, we have 23%, and then there's the remainder here, 65% for paperback books. Let's figure out how many books these represent. 12% is equivalent to 0.12. So we're going to use that as a multiplier. 0.12 times the total number of books sold, that's 32,200. Give us a total number of audiobooks sold of 3,864. And I'll put an A for audiobooks there. We'll do the same thing for hardback books and paperback books. So now we have the number of sales. We need to know the profit per book. We know this for paperback books. We need to calculate it for audiobooks and for hardbacks. So let's increase this by 15%. £2.40 increased by 15% is the same as multiplying by 1.15. 100% plus 15% is 115%, which is a decimal is 1.15. So that gives us a profit of £2.76 for an audiobook. Then that's increased by a further £2.06 for a hardback. So £2.76 plus £2.06 is £4.82 for a hardback. Now let's calculate the profit made for each kind of book. So for an audiobook, we've got £2.40 multiplied by the total number of audiobooks, which is 3,864, for a profit of £10,664.64. We'll do the same thing then for hardback and for paperback. So now we have the total profit for each. We need the sales of paperback books as a proportion of the total. So the profit from paperback books is 50,232. And we need to divide that by the total of these three numbers. So we need to add all of these up on the bottom of the fraction. And then multiply by 100. That gives us approximately 52.0%.